In this video, we will show you how to creating a folder in Canva. Creating a folder in Canva meaning you can easier to manage your projects or designs. Okay, to creating a folder and manage your projects, just click projects here. After you click a projects, you can click plus button in here. Then you can select new folder options. You can create any name of your folder. Okay. For example, I will create for website, just website some like this, and just click continue after that. After you creating a folder, you can see your folder is on your projects here. Okay. You can click to expand. You can see there is website thumbnail and I also have YouTube thumbnail. After you creating a folder like this, you can move your project. For example, you can click your recent project and select move and just put on the website thumbnail, for example, and just click move. Okay, after you do that, you can just easily manage your project by clicking your design or your folder so you can find your design easier. That's all tutorial how you can create a folder for easier managing your projects in Canva. Just click on the projects, okay, after you in home and select this button and click new folder and type your folder name. If any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below and thanks for watching.